let's take a look here. Again, I notice the numbers are kind of big. Let's see if we can find a GCF. And I actually see that these two numbers end in 0, so those are actually divisible by 10, but this 15 is not divisible by 10, right? 15, this is divisible by 1 and 15 and 3 and 5. So let's look, like, are these divisible by 15? No. Are they divisible by 5? Yeah, they are. And I also noticed that in this one, each of them has an x, right? There's one x over here, so that in this there's one x here, two x's here, and three x's here, so they all have at least one x, so my GCF is 5x. I'm going to pull it out. All right, 5x times what is 15x to the third? So 5 times 3 is 15. And there's one x here, I need there to be 3 x's. So if I have one x, I need 2 more to make 3. So that's 3x squared. 5 times what is 80? Okay, can't do it in your head, that's fine. You just do 80 divided by 5 in your calculator. But it's 16. And in this case, I have one x, I need there to be 2 x's, so I need one more. And 5 times what is 100? 5 times 20 is 100. And here it's 100x, there's already an x here, so 5x times 20 will be 100x, so I'm set. So now I'm going to bring down my GCF, set up my parentheses. Again, I know these two numbers here will multiply to 3, and to 3x squared, so I'm going to make that 3x and 1x. Now these two numbers multiply to 20, so here it's a little bit tricky because it could be 1 times 20, could be 2 times 10, could be, let's see, 4 times 5. Let's try 4 and 5 first, okay? And again, everything's positive here, we know it's going to be positive. So let's say I put a 4 here and a 5 here. So, and all I'm testing is, right, this and this. Because I know that 3x times x will get me 3x squared and 4 times 5 will get me 20. So I'm just seeing I need them to add to 16. So 3 times 5 is 15x, 4 times x is 4x, that adds to 19. So nope, let's switch them. Let's do 5 and 4. So 3x times 4, that's 12x, and 5 times x, that adds to 17, which is close, but it's not 16x. So let's cross off 4 and 5. Let's try 2 and 10. 2 and 10. So 3x times 10 is 30x, and right away I'm going to be like, nope, because that's already too big, right? It's not going to add to 16. And so let's switch them. I did 2 and 10, I'm going to do 10 and 2. 3 times 2 is 6x, and 10 times x is 10x. And that does add to 16. Perfect. So I'm going to go ahead and darken and neaten it up. And here's my answer.